Hello! In this video, we will learn about different types of plane figures and the names of their parts. A plane figure is a flat surface. A circle, a triangle, a square, and a rectangle are all plane figures. A triangle, a square, and a rectangle all have sides. Each side is a line segment. This is a side. This is a side too. The point where two line segments, or sides, meet is called a corner. A corner can also be called an angle. Two segments can meet to form a square corner. A square corner is called a right angle. A right angle has a measure of 90 degrees. Degrees are units that measure the size of an angle. Can you find the right angle in this triangle? Yes, this angle is a right angle. Now you know about plane figures and you can name their parts. See you next time.